Hey y'all, welcome to Story Time with Nani Pop. I'm Nani Pop, and I love reading. Love it. I hope that in the time that we get to spend together, you will go out and find these books, put them on your shelf, and read them again and again and again with me or with those who love you so much. From my heart to yours, here in Texas, Story Time with Nani Pop. Counting Country Critters, written by Connie Ellsbury, illustrated by Eddie Ray. 1. Blue Jay. 1 country critter. 2. Owl. 2 country critters. 3. Deer. 3 country critters. 4. Duck. 4 country critters. 5. Squirrel. 5 country critters. 6. Fox. 6 country critters. 7. Frog. 7 country critters. 8. Rabbit. 8 country critters. 9. Raccoon. 9 country critters. 10. Skunk. 10 country critters. Hi, I'm Blake Blue Jay. Flying high, you hear my one cry. My favorite number is 1. Hi, I'm Opal Owl. My eyes will catch you. My favorite number is 2. Hi, I'm Dean Deer. Dad, Mom, and me. My favorite number is 3. Hi, I'm Dorothy Duck. Quack, quack, quack. And Splash. My favorite number is 4. Hi, I'm Sawyer Squirrel. Gathering acorns. More. My favorite number is 5. Hi, I'm Fonda Fox. Hiding, hunting, jumping, doing tricks and flips and sticks. My favorite number is 6. Hi, I'm Freddy Frog. Ribbit, eating bugs, hopping from logs to lily pads. My favorite number is 7. Hi, I'm Rachel Rabbit. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters, and I make... My favorite number is 8. Hi, I'm Raylan Raccoon. 3 and 3 and 3. That's me. My favorite number is 9. Hi, I'm Skylar Skunk. Peekaboo, I see you. Both hands count me. My favorite number is 10. You did it! Awesome, super spectacular! 1 to 10, counting country critters. And you could do it again and again. This is Nani Pop, and I would love it if you visit the other stories that I have at Storytime with Nani Pop. And until we meet again, 10 country critters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out for a walk and do it again.